This Suncoast Realty Solutions, LLC property video is presented by Jude Paul. Make this beautiful home located in Immokalee your home. This home sits on a huge lot which is coveted in Immokalee. As soon as you walk in the front door, you'll notice how it's an open floor plan, plenty of room for your furniture. The house is tiled throughout, features espresso cabinets, white appliances. Master bedroom has plenty of room for a king-size bed and has an updated shower. No need to worry about the roof because it's brand new. For more information, review the details below or contact Jude Paul at 855-602-4090.